Hi, and let's take a quick look at Caspio's AI Assistant feature. This feature was designed to accelerate your database table development process. In the tables object, you can toggle the AI Assistant on and off with just a simple click of a button. To get help in creating your table, simply input your request, such as create a contacts table, and Caspio's AI Assistant will generate a sample table structure based on your prompt. You'll then see two options: to either create this table and continue making modifications to it, or have the AI Assistant regenerate an entirely different structure. I will choose the first option, and Caspio will take me inside a design view where I can now continue making edits to my fields and data types. If you wish to hide the AI Assistant from your account, you can go to Account Settings, and from there you can easily toggle the feature on and off as you wish. Thank you for watching the video. To learn more about this feature, visit our knowledge base at howto.caspio.com.